Hi, this is Nikhil from Team Microelectronics, and in today's video we will make digital dice using Arduino with BitBlocks. So let's get ready to the video. So let me just quickly show you the required things. For that you need a breadboard, Arduino Uno deployment board, BitBlocks in and out block, buzzer block, power block, 7-segment display, distance sensor, 9-volt battery connector, a 9-volt battery, and a collection of jumper wires. So let's make it. First, connect the 7-segment display with breadboard. Take the Arduino Uno board and connect the 7-segment display with Arduino using jumper wires. Guys, there is no need to worry about connection. Here is the circuit diagram for the same. And you can download the circuit diagram directly from our blog. Guys, BitBlocks will be the right choice if you want to learn robotics and electronics because it made the thing easier. BitBlocks is just like plug and play. Guys, we will give power to the whole circuit using BitBlocks power block. Now, using some jumper wires, we will give power to distance sensor. Guys, as I have told you before that there is no need to worry about connection. I have already provided you the circuit diagram on my blog. Making Arduino project is pretty simple with us. So please join us at Microelectronics. Also check out BitBlocks to learn robotics in easy way. So here we connect a buzzer block, so when we get any input it will notify us. Now we have successfully completed the circuit. So let's code it. So guys, it's a time to upload the code to the Arduino. You can download this code from our blog. So here I have defined the connections for the 7-segment display. So guys, here is the code that we will use to run the Arduino accordingly. So we used delay 1000 to hold the number for 1 second. And here we have defined the while loop for every single number. So guys, now we will upload the code to the Arduino. So first select the right port as I am selecting COM6 and the right board as Arduino Uno. If you select the wrong board or port, the code will not work or not run. So before uploading the code, I am saving the code file as dice. So guys, here is the working of the code. The code will generate the number from 1 to 6 and will display them on 7 segment. So when it get input from IR sensor, it will hold us number for 2 seconds. So guys, here you can see that the uploading is now done. As I have told you before to please select the right port or board before uploading the code. So here I am opening the serial monitor to get the output. So it's a time to test it. So guys, this is how you can make a digital dice with BitBlocks using Arduino. Also guys, download the BitBlocks app now where you will find lot of tutorials and projects. And when you complete any project, you will get some coin as a reward. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. BitBlocks for endless innovations.